Hello, and welcome to the grand opening for Goddard Senior Homes. I'm Jennifer McCabe, Development Director at Excel Development Group. I'd like to take a moment to thank all of our partners. Our financial partners include Housing Resource Corporation, Midwest Housing Equity Group, Federal Home Loan Bank of Topeka, and Horizon Bank. Our development partners included Medicalodges, New Horizons, the City of Goddard, Architectural Design Associates, and REGA Engineering. So thank you to everyone for all of your hard work in making this exciting project a reality. Here at Excel, we're very excited to be providing this new affordable housing option for the citizens of Goddard, and we are looking forward to the positive impact that it will have on the residents and in the community. Again, I'd like to thank our partners, and I'd like to thank you for joining us today.
Hello, I'm Governor Laura Kelly. I want to welcome the Goddard Senior Homes to the Goddard, Kansas community. These new, affordable duplexes for our state's low to moderate income seniors are great news for our state. I would like to thank Excel Development Group and the Kansas Housing Resource Corporation for their work on this project. As your governor, I will continue to support affordable housing and the low-income housing tax credit programs that make projects like these possible, providing our state seniors with the affordable, clean, safe homes they deserve.
Welcome to everyone attending today. Hi, I'm Joe Seiwert, State Representative for the Goddard area. I want to welcome you to the grand opening of the Goddard Senior Home and Excel Development Group for building it. I think it's a great accomplishment for the Goddard area and affordable housing for our seniors. Let's give them all a big applaud for coming today. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to help you celebrate the completion of the Goddard Senior Homes. Through collaborative funding efforts and partnerships with local and state entities, this quality housing project is now available for area residents. Kansans' access to affordable living accommodations is an important component of a community's quality of life. Goddard Senior Homes is a welcome addition to the city and provides a safe living environment for the demographic it serves. Congratulations and best wishes for success. Please let me know if I can ever be of service. Very truly yours, Jerry Moran.
Hi, my name's Hunter Larkin, Mayor of Goddard, Kansas. I want to welcome the Goddard Senior Homes to my hometown. I also want to thank the Excel Development Group for the continued work to expand access to quality, affordable housing in Kansas. The Goddard Senior Homes provides our low to moderate income seniors with a beautiful and affordable place that they can call home. I'm especially proud that some of these units are reserved for military, veterans, and their spouses. It's heartwarming to see the positive impact that comes from providing people with affordable, clean, and safe homes. I want to congratulate the Goddard Senior Homes once again, and I want to welcome you to my community. Thank you, and God bless you.
Hello, my name is Pat Michaelies. I'm Vice President, Midwest Housing Equity Group. We're the tax credit syndicator for the Goddard Senior Project, and we're pleased and proud to be working with Excel Development. We've worked with them on many other projects. We've been syndicating tax credits for over 25 years, and Excel has been a great partner. And this project consists of 24 affordable units for seniors. Sharon, a new resident, says, "I'm very excited to be living in Goddard and look forward to being able to stay close to my children and grandchildren. I love my new home." And I think most people that move in, I think they will feel that way. These are nice units. The project was awarded federal tax credits by the Kansas Housing Association. Also, the Federal Home Loan Bank of Topeka contributed $750,000 in an AHP grant. Other partners who contributed to the project include the City of Goddard, Excel Construction Company, Horizon Bank is a great partner, New Horizons Inc. The monthly rent on these units, $450 to $585. For seniors, disabled persons, veterans are encouraged to apply. Again, we are very pleased and proud to be on the Excel team and to work with them again. I just say this, congratulations to all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ryan Vincent, Executive Director at Kansas Housing Resources Corporation. KHRC's mission of helping Kansans access the safe, affordable housing they need and the dignity they deserve has never been more important. With the COVID crisis, our homes have been so much more than shelter. They've been our place to virtually participate in healthcare, in community meetings, worship, and so much more. We're so pleased to partner with Excel Development Group to serve the future residents of Goddard Senior Homes community. We're especially honored that some of these units are reserved for military veterans and their spouses, a chance for us to give back for all that they gave to us. Today's a day of celebration, and KHRC wants to congratulate Excel, the Goddard community, and all those who worked alongside KHRC to unlock homes for those we serve.
Mike Borcher, Vice President and Manager of the Affordable Housing Program, or AHP for short, at the Federal Home Loan Bank of Topeka. I've had the privilege of working with many AHP project sponsors and owners in providing AHP funds to projects just like this one. The Federal Home Loan Bank of Topeka has been providing AHP funds for 30 years, and I'm proud to be a part of the program. AHP funding helps provide homes for many families. From 1990, when the program first awarded funds, through 2019, the Federal Home Loan Bank of Topeka has awarded approximately $237 million in funding, supporting the purchase, construction, and rehabilitation of almost 45,000 housing units. It's been an honor for me to be a part of the past 10 years. The Federal Home Loan Bank of Topeka looks forward to seeing this apartment community benefit its residents, and we're grateful to play a small part in that success. Thank you and best of luck.
Thanks for having me. I'm Janet Latimer. I'm the CEO of Horizon Bank. I have some of my colleagues with me, Greg, Andy, Scott, and they all work together on the low-income housing tax credits projects. It's so wonderful to see this finished product, to see some of the residents, and to be able to share with you in a somewhat unusual way, but together. So thank you, Excel, for including us in another project, and have a good day.
Medicalodges, Inc. is very excited to be partnered with Excel Development Group in bringing additional affordable senior housing to Goddard, Kansas. This project has been a long time coming, and we appreciate the dedication and perseverance of Excel Development Group in continuing to work with Kansas Housing Resource Corporation to get this project approved, built, and open for occupancy. We couldn't be happier with how the final project has expanded the senior housing services we can provide to Goddard and the surrounding area. Scott Hines, VP and CFO, Medicalodges, Inc.
I love my back patio. I go out there almost every afternoon or evening. Well, I love the size, and I really like having a remote control garage. I hadn't had a garage, and well, of course, the laundry room, everything.
I'm the first one in this one, so everything was great. But got great neighbors.
I'm so new here. I'm new. I've only lived here a month. As far as I can tell, it's quiet, it's peaceful. Yeah, I got my own resources when it comes to shopping, but you got Walmart just right down the road, 3 miles. You got Ace Hardware. You got a lot of resources in this little town that can really help you out.
Well, I just like a smaller town, and this one's really got everything you need here. And it's not very far from Wichita. It only takes about 10 minutes. I figure if you go 60 between each stoplight, you'll hit them all green. It's beautiful out here, and it's quiet. Everybody's nice. Well, I only been here about 5 months, but I'm beginning to know where everything is, and I like a small town, and people get to know you. And Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, they have exercise class. Tuesdays and Thursdays, cards or dominoes. I mean, you know, there's always something to do.
Have a great library. The staff is fantastic. Years ago, I broke my ankles, and they actually brought books to me every week. It still sometimes has that small town feel, but we also have a lot of the larger town amenities.
Well, I lived out in the country there all the time, and I'm just getting used to living in town. We always drove over here on Sundays. And we'd get to meet people from Kingman and all around that come to the restaurant. It's just a fun bunch.
It helps enormously. I mean, I got completely out of debt. Yeah, it's a godsend to me. I don't go to bed anymore and just worry all night. It's a blessing.
Oh yeah, it's for what I'm paying for, it's perfect. You know, and everybody, you know, my little sister came out from Ulysses, Kansas, helped me move in. And she's like, wow. She goes, this is huge. Yeah, and my nephew, he's like, how much are you paying again? I told him, he's like, not in Hutchinson.
Oh, it helps me a lot. Rent is cheap to me. I mean, $450, that's good, you know. I mean, any other place you go, it's $700 and on up.
It's a great neighborhood. I mean, it's quiet, it's peaceful. Yeah, the staff, as far as Amy, Angela, they've been great.
And everybody's nice around here. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything else. I mean, I'm just grateful for it.
Considering the amount of money that I pay for the rental, why, I think I'm just pretty lucky to be here.
A stepson that he helped me move in, and he goes, oh, they need to be built more of these. And I love mine. It's just the right size. I hate to use the word perfect, but it is. For me, it is perfect.
I would like to thank everyone who's contributed to this video, and I'd especially like to thank the Excel staff for all that they do in making these projects successful. If you would like more information about this development, please visit us at www.exceldg.com or call us at 800-378-9366. We'd love to give you a personal tour.